Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. We're here to talk about English. It's important to speak clear English, you know? Today we're gonna fix those sentences. Get ready to learn and have some fun. Good sentences are important, folks. They help people understand you. When you speak clearly, good things happen. You get your point across, no confusion. Sometimes English learners make mistakes. It's okay, we all been there. One mistake is forgetting the verb, another is mixing up the words. Every sentence needs a subject and a verb. The subject is who or what is doing something. The verb is the action word. He runs is a good example. Putting words in order is very important. Objects and more. So let's delve deeper into the importance of word order in English sentences, particularly focusing on objects. After the verb, you might have an object. The object receives the action. For example, in the sentence, he eats pizza, the word pizza is the object because it is receiving the action of being eaten. Word order matters in English. Let's break this down further. In English, the typical sentence structure follows the subject-verb-object (SVO) pattern. This means that the subject comes first, followed by the verb, and then the object. For instance, in the sentence, she reads a book, she is the subject, reads is the verb, and a book is the object. This structure is crucial for conveying clear and precise meaning. Consider another example. The cat chases the mouse. Here, the cat is the subject performing the action, chases is the verb, and the mouse is the object receiving the action. If we were to change the word order to the mouse chases the cat, the meaning of the sentence would be completely altered, demonstrating the importance of maintaining the correct sequence. In some cases, sentences can have more than one object. These are known as direct and indirect objects. For example, in the sentence, she gave him a gift is the direct object receiving the action of being given, and him is the indirect object, indicating to whom the gift is given. Understanding the roles of direct and indirect objects can help you construct more complex and nuanced sentences. Additionally, it's important to note that not all sentences will have an object. Some sentences are complete with just a subject and a verb, such as birds fly or the sun shines. However, when objects are present, their placement and role within the sentence are vital for clarity and meaning. To further illustrate, let's look at a few more examples. In the sentence, they built a house, they is the subject, built is the verb, and a house is the object. Changing the order to a house built they would not make sense in English, highlighting the necessity of proper word order. Another example is, the teacher explains the lesson. Here, the teacher is the subject, explains is the verb, and the lesson is the object. If we were to say the lesson explains the teacher, the sentence would be confusing and incorrect. Understanding the concept of objects in sentences is fundamental to mastering English grammar. It allows you to create sentences that are not only grammatically correct, but also clear and effective in communication. So, always remember to pay attention to the order of words, especially when dealing with objects, to ensure your sentences convey the intended meaning accurately. In summary, the placement of objects in a sentence is a key aspect of English grammar. By following the subject-verb-object structure and recognizing the roles of direct and indirect objects, you can enhance your writing and speaking skills. Keep practicing, and soon, the correct word order will become second nature to you. Now let's fix some sentences together. Let's try fixing a sentence. I go yesterday store. That's broken English, right? The correct way is, I went to the store yesterday. See? Much better. Now it's time to practice. Practice makes perfect. Keep talking. Don't be afraid to practice your English. Talk to people even if you make mistakes. The more you practice, the better you'll get. It's like learning to ride a bike. When you first start learning a new language, it can be intimidating. You might feel self-conscious or worried about making mistakes, but remember, everyone starts somewhere. The key is to keep talking. Engage in conversations with friends, family, or even strangers. The more you use the language, the more comfortable you will become. Imagine you're in a coffee shop surrounded by the hum of conversations. You hear people chatting about their day, sharing stories, and laughing together. This is the perfect environment to practice your English. Order your coffee in English, ask the barista how their day is going, or strike up a conversation with someone sitting next to you. These small interactions can make a big difference in your language learning journey. Or picture yourself in a park, where friends are gathered, talking and laughing. Join in on the conversation. Don't worry about getting every word right. The important thing is that you're communicating and practicing. Your friends will appreciate your effort, and you'll gain confidence with each interaction. Social gatherings are another great opportunity to practice. Whether it's a party, a family get-together, or a community event, take the chance to talk to as many people as you can. Ask questions, share your thoughts, and listen to others. Each conversation is a step forward in your language learning process. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of learning. Just like when you were learning to ride a bike, you probably fell a few times before you got the hang of it. The same goes for learning a new language. You might stumble over words or use the wrong tense, but that's okay. Each mistake is a learning opportunity. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. Over time, you'll notice that you're able to express yourself more clearly and understand others better. Your vocabulary will expand, and your pronunciation will improve. But this progress only happens if you keep talking. So, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Embrace every opportunity to practice your English. Whether it's a casual chat with a friend, a conversation with a stranger, or a discussion at a social event, each interaction brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep talking, keep practicing, and soon you'll find that speaking English becomes second nature. As we come to the journey of mastering, English is like opening a series of doors, each leading to new and exciting opportunities. The magic of good English doors will open. Imagine a world where every door you encounter opens effortlessly, revealing a path to success and fulfillment. When you improve your English, doors will open. It's not just about learning a language, it's about unlocking your potential and expanding your horizons. Picture yourself confidently engaging in conversations, understanding different cultures, and expressing your thoughts clearly. You can get a better job, for example. Mastering English can significantly enhance your career prospects. Employers value effective communication skills, and being proficient in English can set you apart from the competition. Imagine walking into an interview with confidence, knowing you can articulate your ideas and showcase your skills effectively. You can make new friends from all over. English is a global language, and being able to speak it opens up a world of social opportunities. Think about the joy of connecting with people from different backgrounds, sharing experiences, and building lasting friendships. It's a bridge that brings people together, fostering understanding and collaboration. It's amazing what you can do. The possibilities are endless when you have a strong command of English. Whether it's traveling to new places, pursuing higher education, or simply enjoying your favorite books and movies in their original language, the benefits are immense. Imagine the sense of accomplishment and pride you'll feel as you achieve your goals and celebrate your successes. So take the first step today. Embrace the magic of good English and watch as doors open for you, leading to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Don't forget, you need to share your secrets, help each other learn. Now I want to hear from you. What are your secrets for learning English? What challenges are you facing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Finally, your English journey starts today. Remember, learning English takes time and effort. But don't give up, you can do it. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking. Your English journey starts today.